We're under the underpass, and it's chucking it down with rain. It is totally flooded, and half of us are on one side, and half on the other. Oh crap. This is Beck's one of our many survivors. Well, not many survivors really, but you know what I mean. This is Karl and his ball. This is Nicole. And this is Sam and his very wet hoodie. He's shouting, "Save us!" The ball is stuck in the middle of the very, very deep, watery stuff. Rain, water. Oh crap. It's starting to overflow the side.
I'm gonna die.
Oh no, we're gonna have to eat.
How are you gonna get out?
A Sam with a bike. The ball. Oh, 1 minute.
Oh crap, Karl. Wait, I'm gonna need to come to me.
Right, this is Sam on his bike. Yeah, you can go. He's made it over to the less steep side. Get in it. Now it's just Nikki and Karl.
You have to take the jacket off. Keep the ball. Safety. The jacket's come on. It's too wet and wet.
Oh, Karl's jacket's off. This is very exciting. Yes, Sam. Nicole's coming. Nicole's coming. Oh, you walk. Oh, you did. Here's Karl. Here comes Karl. Oh, no, he's back. Oh, Sam's dead. You look at all, eat Sam, he's dead.
You hit me!
It's getting deeper. It's getting deeper.
Go, Karl.
It's getting deeper. And now the tire is nearly under.
Oh my God, Karl's out. I was so lucky the car came over. He was there.
Karl, when you left, the car came over and you were there.
No, it's not.
The grass is now under. Oh, it's absolutely
foot area. It's filling up. Okay, sure. On. Okay, we're gonna have to say our final words very quickly. But I love you all, and thank you. Thank you, everybody, for loving me. Thanks.
I love you all, and I just say my last words, Mom, Dad, my sister, all my friends. You've been great. You've been really great, especially Beck. She's on the camera. My sisters. On the best. Okay, it's time for us to go because you know. The thing is, this is Sam. Good girl. Well, we're saying bye to the lake because I'm sorry.
We can now get out.
We can now get out because it is still chucking it down. But you know, we're going to Becky's garage. We are going to Becky's.